Elon Musk announcing that for the first time, his company Neuralink has implanted a brain chip in a human.
The first human received an implant from Neuralink yesterday.
Elon Musk's controversial Neuralink is ready to test its brain chip
reality,
implant
according
on
to
humans.
Elon Musk, who says his company implanted the Neuralink brain chip into a patient.
In the canvas of tomorrow, a world unshackled by the limitations of the human body. A place where sight is not dependent on eyes, and thoughts can traverse the digital landscape freely. Every action, every emotion, every memory is a symphony of electrical impulses in the brain. Welcome to the dawn of Neuralink. Its goal? To join the orchestra, to enhance, to restore, to elevate. A tiny chip with monumental promise. Now, this isn't just an exploration of technology. It's a journey through the potential of what it means to be human. So how did Neuralink get here? And how did the government allow chips to be planted in our brains? Well, it all started a few months ago with its predecessor. The N1 chip, created by Neuralink, aimed to solve brain and spinal injuries with an unprecedented solution. A chip implant in our brains. This was met with fierce criticism and public outrage. But with such astounding success in its animal trial phase, the critics were soon silent. With the N1 chip being able to read the brain signals like the score of an orchestral sheet, its potential was limitless. From being able to cure several brain injuries to giving the test subject the superpower of telepathy, being able to control computers with just their minds. But this huge jump does not come without its own risks. How does one get this chip into a human brain safely? With the nodes and connectors thinner than the human hair, how does one survive this procedure without more significant brain damage? These questions were profound roadblocks in the journey of Neuralink. Its incredible success in animal trials doesn't mean much if they aren't able to implant it safely in the heads of people, without severe risk. This kind of task would require even the best neurosurgeon to be on his A-game every time to have a successful implant. But even this is a problem because not everyone would be able to afford that level of surgical implant. Then, just like the sound of the trumpets, a solution would change the entire game. The R1 robot, capable of performing the surgery without fail and without complications. The solution that would save Neuralink's work and make sure humanity would bridge the gap between our minds and technology, reimagining what is possible in the medical fields today. Imagine giving sight to the blind, not with eyes, but with cameras transmitting information from the world to a language the brain can understand. Or the paralyzed being able to finally walk by receiving neural impulses from otherwise dead cells. This progress, being nothing short of a miracle, was still a long way from the final product. With so much approval left to do, and so much red tape left to cross, it had all seemed like a long way ahead. So, the Neuralink team went back to the drawing board. While the N1 chip in all its merits had insane achievements, it still was not ready for the human implant for several reasons. Mainly because it was developed for animals, which have a lower brain function than humans do. I mean, think about it. We are a significantly higher life form, and that is mainly because of our superior brains, which perform way more activities than that of monkeys and other primates. So, in order to do this work, the product needed to be developed further. It needs to be better than what it is currently, so it can interact with the most advanced brain part yet. But this felt like we were years away from this reality, and that human trials wouldn't be available until quite some time. Boy, were we wrong. On Sunday the 28th, January 2024, it happened, and on Monday the news hit. From Elon Musk's X account, he made public the success of the first human trial, and that the patient is recovering well. Also, that the initial results shows promise. We did it. We finally did it. Bridging the gap between man and machine is finally possible. While the name of the first patent is unknown, humanity owes a great debt to the bravery of that person. And in a follow-up tweet, Elon Musk revealed the name of this first product: Telepathy. While the real capabilities of telepathy remains a mystery, we have no doubt that the future is going to be a very exciting one, as we are going to be bringing you updates on Neuralink and telepathy. But hey, in the meantime, you can watch our other videos, from AI who will destroy humanity to architectural projects designing the future. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.